locate the Find button and click on the down arrow options. You'll see the Find function and the Advanced Find function. Click the Find option, and let's say we want to look for the word web. We'll get 3 different types of results. The results area shows us the word in bold that we looked for. The pages area shows us a preview of this word in all the pages of your document. The headings area shows you in which heading section the word you're looking for appears in the text. In this case, the word web also appears under our history heading. The Find feature also gives the exact number of times that our word appears in our document, 71 times in our case. If you like the practicality of this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Let's close this window and try the Advanced Find function. A few search options will appear, like Match Case, Find Whole Words Only, and a few more. You can take a closer look to each one and get a more specific search. Let's check out the Reading Highlight option. If we click on Highlight All, what this does is that it highlights for us everywhere our word appears in the text. We can remove this by clicking on Clear Highlight. The Find In button gives us the opportunity to look for our word either throughout the main document or just a specific current selection. And finally, the Find Next feature shows us where does the following word we're looking for appears next in the document. Now you know how to save time by quickly finding a word or phrase in a large Word document. Stay close, for then we're going to show how to use the Replace function in future videos.